Everyone, this is Miss Alvarez again, and today we're going to look at a new text structure called cause and effect. So, what is a text structure again? A text structure refers to how an author intentionally organizes his or her text. Nonfiction texts can have many different text structures. So far, we have looked at 4 different text structures. Cause and effect is the 5th one in the list. What is a cause and effect text structure? Like all other of these text structures, cause and effect is very aptly or very well named, very straightforwardly named. So it looks at the causes of something or the effects of something. The action preceding an effect is a cause. The result of the action is an effect, just to clarify. What is the purpose of this structure? So this structure is used to prove the relationship between an action and its consequences. Now we have got 2 examples here. Number 1, examining the effects of doing drugs in order to prove the negative relationship between drugs and health. Example 2, analyzing the causes of the Great Depression to prove the relationship between poor economic policies and economic failure. More likely than not, you guys have written cause and effect text structures before. Here are our cause signal words. So words that show that a text is discussing the cause of something. You can pause here if you need to. Here's an example. So, as always, in every single one of these videos and whenever you are reading, you should have a purpose. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what signal words are being used that signify that the cause and effect text structure is being used. Now, obviously, I've already marked this up. Species throughout history have disappeared due to disease, competition, or natural climate change. So that first part, species throughout history have disappeared, that is my effect. And now due to is my signal word. And that means that the rest of whatever's coming after that is going to be the cause. Okay? Next, when humans became the dominant species, that's the cause. The extinction rate of other species began to increase dramatically. That's the effect. Especially since the 17th century, technological advances and the increasing number of people, that's the cause, have changed the world. That's the effect. Okay? Here are effect, consequence, or result signal words. Okay? You can go ahead and pause here if you need to. So here's our effect example from climate change could make blizzards more intense, scientists say. So once again, we're looking for the effect signal words or things that show me that there is some type of effect happening here. Where are my effect sections of this paragraph? Scientists predict climate change could make blizzards more intense. So what could make blizzards more intense? Climate change. So that means climate change is my cause. Make blizzards more intense is the effect. A warmer atmosphere holds more moisture. And so that one is underlined with the E, which signifies that it is an effect. This moisture eventually falls as precipitation, either as rain when temperatures are warm or snow when temperatures are below freezing. This results, so that's circled because that is a signal word, in more frequent and intense storms. So that this results in, and then it gives me that information, then that means that this is a cause. So that's why it has a C there. Sea temperatures are also on the rise, which is another signal word, increases the amount of energy and moisture available to storms, thus increasing their severity. And that's my effect. Okay, so this particular text structure can be a little bit challenging. So it really helps to go ahead and do things like this when you're annotating to make sure you underline the relationship. So here I underlined or underlined, there are like the causes and the effects, and then have a little symbol that shows me that that is what they are. And we have also went ahead and circled the signal words. So whenever you have a text and you know it's going to be a little bit difficult to annotate, or you're looking for something very, very specific, make sure that you use a strategy like this. So you've got symbols to represent whatever you're looking for, and then you have you circle the key words, basically. And in this case, your key words are those signal words. All right, guys, I know you're going to do great on your assignments. I know you're going to do wonderful at identifying cause and effect. So go forth and practice, and have a great day.